I am Ayyappan, BT Assistant in Mathematics, Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School from Arakkonam. Okay. Now, we are going to see 9th standard mathematics. The first chapter set language. First chapter set language. So, first define set. Set is a well defined collection of objects. Now, I will collect one chocolates. All chocolates, so one objects. This one variety, melody one varieties, and then another chocolate one varieties. But all chocolates only. It is set. Next, dice. Dice, solve the dice is same, but collection of dice are called set. Next, this salt, this collection of objects, it is also set. This is set defined. A set is a well defined collection of objects. Then set is three format we will write. Set, we will write three types of format. The first one is set. A set is a well defined collection of objects. For example, the collection of all chocolates, it is set. The collection of dice, it is set. Next, we know that natural number, a counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is going on. It is also set. Next, the counting number 0, starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 is going on. It is also set, that is whole number. Next, the set of all English alphabets. So, we know that English alphabets A to Z, that also one set. The set of vowels in English alphabets, the set of all English alphabets A to Z. Next, the set of all vowels in English alphabets. English vowels alphabets A, E, I, O, U. 5. 5 elements are set. Then 26 elements are set. It is two types of sets. Okay. Then numbers. The set of all even prime number. What is even prime number? What is prime number? Prime number means a number divisible by 1 and itself. Here one number take, that number divided by same number and 1. These two numbers only divisible, that is called prime number. For example, prime number 2. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. 3. 3, 1 and 3. Next, 4. 4 is divisible by 1, 2, 4. See, it is more than 2 factors. It is not prime number, it is composite number. So, more than 2 factors are called composite number. Only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. A number divisible by 1 and itself, it is called prime number. So, here only even prime number 2, it is set. Next. Next, three types of format. One is representation of set. Three types. First one, descriptive form. What is descriptive form? In descriptive form, a set described in words. A set is described in words. For example, the set of all natural number. It is described in words only. It is one types of set. Okay. So another one, the set of all natural number less than 10. It is described in words. So it is also descriptive form. Okay. The set of all even prime number, only 2, because here descriptive form in words, the set of all even prime number, it is also descriptive form. So a set described in words, it is called descriptive form. Okay. This is one types of set. Next, set builder form. What is set builder form? A set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. What is rule? Here I am Ayyappan. Ayyappan is max teacher. It is described in something. So you are also one student, Sudesi. Sudesi is described in words, but your rule, Sudesi is cameraman. It is also set builder form. Okay. Next example, the set of all even prime number. Here 2 is an even prime number. Here a set builder form. A set builder form, all the elements are described in rule. Here for example, I will write a descriptive form. Here the set of, no one writes symbol, the set of all natural number, all natural number less than 10. This is descriptive form. Next, set builder form. I will write this explanation. Set of all natural number less than 10. Here x is a natural number. I denote a let x is a natural number. So such that, this such that, okay, the symbol is such that x is a natural number less than 10. Natural number less than 10. This is set builder form. Here another one type, set builder form. We will write also this method, x such that x belongs to natural number. Natural number denoted by capital N. Here x less than 10. This is also set builder form. These two types, right? One is x is a natural number. This is set builder. Okay. This also x is a natural number, x belongs to natural number, x less than 10. This is conditions. Okay. This is set builder form. This is descriptive form. Another one is roster form. Third type, roster form. Roster form is nothing but a roster form. A set can be described in all the elements of the set, listing all the elements of set. A set can be described by listing all the elements, all the elements. Here also this is roster form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. This is roster form. Okay. Why you are not writing 10 less than 10? That's why you are not write 10. This is roster form, listing all the elements. So curly bracket inside all the elements, right? That is called roster form. This is three types of format. One is descriptive form, second one is set builder form, third one is roster form. What is descriptive form? A set described in words. It is called descriptive form. Second one, set builder form. What is set builder form? A set builder form described by a rule. described by a rule. It is called set builder form. Next, roster form, listing the all the elements. A set described listing the all the elements is called roster form. This is 3 types of format. All the format are set only. This is 3-way method, right? That is, one is descriptive form, set builder form, roster form. 3 format we will write. That is the concept of set. Now I will explain one example. Set A, MS Dhoni, Raina, Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Sachin. This is elements. MS Dhoni is one of the cricket player. Raina is one of the cricket player. Kohli also one of the cricket player. Rohit is also one of the cricket player. Sachin also one of the cricket player. Now MS Dhoni is an element of A. Abdina, MS Dhoni is element of A, set A. So MS Dhoni is simple, right? MS Dhoni belongs to, this is belongs to, is an element of set A, that is belongs to A. MS Dhoni belongs to A. Okay, set A. அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கு அப்படினு மீனிங். Next, Raina is an element of A. So Raina belongs to A. Next, Kohli is an element of A. So Kohli belongs to A. Next, this is belongs to. Now Rohit is an element of set A. Rohit belongs to A. Sachin is an element of A. Sachin belongs to A. This is belongs to. In case Ganguly is not an element of A. Ganguly is one of the cricket player. Ganguly is not an element of A. Because here MS Dhoni, Raina and then Kohli, Rohit, Sachin. Here Ganguly is not there. So Ganguly is not an element of A. So Ganguly does not belongs to A. Ganguly does not belongs to A. Okay. Next, Gail is one of the best cricket player in West Indies. So Gail is not an element of A. Gail does not belongs to A. It is does not belongs to. Belongs to means is an element of A. Does not belongs to means is not an element of A. It is 2 types. Okay. Now we are going to see types of set. Types of sets already seen. See, set, a set builder form 1, descriptive form 1, roster form. 3 types of format, already we know that. Now types of set. Types of set la first one, empty set. Empty set or null set. Empty means no elements. So this is set. So no elements is there. So it is empty set. A set containing as no elements. It is called empty set or null set or void set. Null means no elements, nil. Null means also no elements. It is empty set or null set or void set. Second one, this singleton set. Single means we know that single means only one person. So only one chocolate. So it is singleton set. So singleton set is nothing but a set consisting only one element is called singleton set. Here empty set or null set. A set consisting no element is called empty set or null set. Next, singleton set. A set containing only one chocolate, only one element is called singleton set. Now third, finite set. What is finite set? A set containing countable elements. Here how many chocolates is there? 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 chocolate is there. So this is countable elements. So it is finite set. A set containing countable elements. Countable element is called finite set. Now infinite set. Infinite set. What is infinite set? This is uncountable elements. It is salt. Salt is not countable. Another one example, sand. Sand is also not uncountable elements. Next examples, sugar. This is also uncountable elements. It is an infinite set. A set containing uncountable elements is called infinite set. So here empty set. A set containing no elements is called empty set or null set. Next, a set containing only one element is called singleton set. A set containing countable elements is called finite set. A set containing uncountable elements is called infinite set. Now equivalent set. This is set A, this is set B. Here set A, this is dice. How many dice is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements. This is set A. The another set is one chocolate, 2 chocolate, 3 chocolate, 4 chocolate, 5 chocolate. So this is also 5 elements. Set A is 5 elements, set B also 5 elements. So number of elements are same, it is equivalent set. Okay, equivalent set. A set, the two set comparison, number of elements are same, it is equivalent set. Okay. Next, equal set. What is equal set? I will explain. Equal set. This is number of elements are equal and same. Here number of elements 5 elements. This is dice. So dice, number of dice 5. Here also number of dice 5. Same elements. It is equivalent set. Equivalent. What is the difference between equivalent set and equal set? Equivalent set means number of elements are equal. That's it. But here equal set, number of elements are equal and number of elements are same. It is equal set. So types of set is 6 types. One is empty set or null set. Second one singleton set. Third one finite set, infinite set, equivalent set, equal set. So 6 types of sets we know that. So what is empty set? Empty set example. For example, the set of all even prime number. Only one even prime number, that is 2. The set of in the cinema history superstar, that is only one superstar. It is also singleton set. Here the set of all stars in the sky. How many stars is in the sky? So uncountable stars. It is an infinite set. Okay. So water is not countable. So it is also infinite set. Okay. Now identify the types of set. One is set of all triangles having 4 sides. Triangles have only 3 sides. Here 4 sides. So it is not possible. So null set. So no elements. So null set. Next one is set of all even prime number. Set of all even prime number only 2. That is singleton set. Next third one is the set of vowels in the English alphabet. English alphabet A, E, I, O, U. So vowels only 5 elements. So countable. So that is also finite set. Next the set of all stars in the sky. So set of all stars. So uncountable elements. So it is infinite set. Then final one. The set of all Tamil month in a year. So Tamil month in year. So only 12 months. So countable elements. It is also finite set. So uncountable examples is there. Okay. Next our class also one good students. The set of all good students in a class. It is a set. Okay. The set of all prime number. So uncountable elements. It is also infinite set. It is an infinite set. Now for some, represent the following sets in roster form. We know that how to write roster form, listing all the elements. It is set. Now here what is the given values? Yes, yeah, A, equal to the set of all even natural number less than 20. What is the format? This is a set described in words. It is descriptive form. So now I will write roster form. How to write roster form? Here A set. Here set of all even natural number. What is even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is going on. So it is even number. A number divisible by 2, it is called even number. So here starting natural number 1. So 2 even natural number, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 is not there because here less than 20. So less than 20 means you don't write 20. So 18 up to you complete. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. It is roster form. The listing the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. It is a roster form. This descriptive form. So descriptive form to roster form, how will we write? That is a format. Now second sum, B set x such that x define, x is a perfect cube. What is perfect cube? What is cube? A number multiple 3 times, that is cube. Here 27, 27 is 3 cube, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 is cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000. This is cube. So here 27 less than x. So here 27 less than x means 27 greater number. So here 27 is not there. Next 64. So here B said 64 first elements. Next here why you are writing 27? Here 27 is not there because 27 less than x. So that's why 27 is not there. So next 28 is not a perfect cube, 29 is not perfect cube, 30, 31, 32 up to 63 is not perfect cube. 64 only perfect cube. That's why you are writing 64 first elements. Next 5 cube. 5 cube value 125. This is second elements. Next third element is 216. But here 216 less than x. So 216 is not right. Why? Because 216 less than x. So that's why you are not writing 216. B equal to 64, 125. That's it. Then this is two sums. Represent the following set in roster form. Here one is descriptive form, another one is set builder form. Now we will write the answer. This is roster form. This is roster form. Okay, any doubt? Next, represent the following sets in set builder form. What is here? Given the values are descriptive form or roster form, but here A equal to set of all cricket players in India who scored double century in one day international. Who is double century is scored? First one is Sachin. Here first record 200 Sachin Tendulkar, next Sehwag, next Rohit Sharma. So 3% only scored double century. So here B set. Here first X is a who scored double century in one day international. So X such that here set builder form. X I will describe. X is an who scored double century. Who scored double century who scored double century in one day international. This is answer. Set close bracket. So here this is answer, this is descriptive form. This descriptive form to set builder form. Okay. So we will write also X is a Sachin, Sheva, Rohit. 3 person we will write. That is also set builder form. Okay. Enough.